So what sets us apart is we actually take your product dimensions and we design an end effector around that application. So it's custom to your product. With the initial sale, we always recommend purchasing a second end effector just as a spare, just because it's such a crucial part of the system. If you were to, for some reason, it would prematurely fail or wear, the system's down, unfortunately. You can't run without it. We have parts that we can support. You can, rebuild it in-house, or we actually have a rebuild program where you can send us your end effector and we can evaluate it for free, provide you with a quote for bringing it back to OEM specifications. So your end effector is the most important part of your system. Making sure the end effector is up to specifications ensures you don't experience any downtime, and the low quality is consistent throughout production.